Hey, I'm Kylie. I'm here to tell you a little more about these beauties right here. Beauty by Earth's bar soaps. They're non-drying, made with organic oils and butters, and smell amazing. First up, the charcoal face bar. Yep, that's right, charcoal. Don't let that scare you. Charcoal is just what you need to help balance out your face. Whether you have oily skin, combination skin, or skin that's just a problem, this face soap is going to help clear you up and cleanse away all the nasty stuff that's slowing you down. Next, the Lavender Citrus Face Bar. Remember those little decorative soaps your grandma used to keep in the bathroom? This ain't them. It's full of organic oils, butters, and extracts, and is so gentle and soothing. If you have sensitive skin, this is the soap for you. And last but not least, the Shave Bar. You know that toxic bottle of shaving gel you have in your shower? Get rid of it. You don't need it. You have shaving soap now. It's fatty and super sudsy, which is just what you want to prep your skin for a super close shave. Just lather it up with a shaving brush or rub the bar right onto your legs and shave it up. How to use these soaps? Any way you want to. Use them with a cognac sponge, use them with a battery-operated face brush. Heck, you can even use them with your bare hands, if that's what you're into. Just do me a favor and check them all out. You're gonna love what they do.